Hey guys, welcome back to another video from the Lotto Strategizer. Um, so I'm back with another one. I am back with another one. Please guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and keep on sharing my videos, please. And I do thank all of those who have supported me throughout my journey in YouTube. Thank you so much for your support. It really means a lot. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you I'm going to be showing you two strategies that produce three bankers. Alright, so we're going to start from the 3rd of November. Okay, the 3rd of November. So how it works is, where is it? Let me just check my notes really quick. Sorry about that. Just checking my notes. Okay. Oh, there we go. So how it works is you add, and by the way, we are using both the tea time draw and the lunchtime draw from the previous day to predict the latest lunchtime draw on the next day. Alright, so we'll take the second biggest and the biggest number from the tea time draw, and then we add it with the biggest and the second biggest number from the lunchtime draw. Alright, so it's going to be 35 plus 38 plus 28 plus 46. When you get that, you get a total of 147. Right, so the first thing you do when you get the answer, you take this digit, you divide like this, and then you say 1 plus 47, you get 48. Okay, so you get 48. Then um after that you divide it by 9. Divided by 9, you'll get 16. 16 already played here, so we play our neighboring numbers of 17 or 15, which 15 came. So just from this strategy alone, and by the way, this is the first strategy. Just from this strategy alone, you won 1, 2, two numbers, and 47 was supposed to come, but it came on tea time. So that's still fine. That's still fine. And then if you, yeah, that's okay. Let's go on to the next one. You do the same thing here. You add everything. 48 plus 49 plus 46 plus 47. Get a total of 190. Alright. So when you divide it like this, and then you say 1 plus 9, you get 1 plus 90, you get 91, which if you spin it, it becomes a 19. 19 already played here, so the neighboring numbers of 18 or 20 did not come, but that's still okay. Let's move on to the next step of the calculation, which is you divide it by 9. So when you divide it by 9, you get a total, or your answer is 21, comma 1. So we only pay attention to the number before the comma. Okay, so there's your 21 here. So from this strategy, only 21 came. That's still fine. Okay. let's move on to today's prediction. So when you add everything together, or rather, when you add those four numbers together, you get a total of 163. So when you get your total of 163, you'll divide it by, but first, we divide it like this, and then you say 1 plus 60 plus 63 equals 64. If you convert or spin 64, it becomes 46. That's our first banker for the day, 46. That's fine. I'll write them down just now. So when you say 163 divided by 9 equals to 18,11. So we have to focus on the number before the comma, which is 18. So our bankers from this are 18 and 46. Okay, let's move on to the next one. To the next strategy. Alright, so at the end of the video, I'm going to write down all the bankers that we predicted today for the lunchtime draw. Okay, so for this strategy, we are moving on to the next strategy, and we are going to start all the way from the 3rd of November. So how this works is we still need the lunchtime draw and the tea time draw to predict the latest lunchtime draw for the next day. So how we do this in this strategy is we add these numbers here. So the 3rd and the 4th number from the lunchtime draw plus the 3rd and the 4th number from the tea time draw. So when you add all those four numbers together, 26 plus 27 plus 25 plus 26, you get a total of 104. And immediately when you get your total, you can already see banker 10. All right, that's your first banker. Then after you do that, divide it by 9 again. So you say 104 divided by 9, which you'll get a total. Now I want you to pay attention to this. You'll get a total of 111,55. So what I want you to focus on now is I want you to focus on the last digit before the comma and the first digit after the comma, or the first number after the comma. And then you circle it like this, and then that's your banker. If you put it together, it becomes 15. You see that? All right, I hope you understood what I did there. I'm going to show you more examples. Let's move on to the next day, the 4th of November. Okay. Oh, sorry, not this one. This one. Okay. So you add those up together. You get a total of 111. So when you focus on your first two digits, 11 didn't come here. It actually came on the previous day. Then even the neighboring numbers of 12 and 10 played here, but 12 came. It came as a 21. Right. And after you do that, you then divide it by 9. divided by 9. So your answer will be I need space. When you say 111 divided by 9, it'll be equals to 12 comma 3 3. Now what did I say? Focus on the number, the last number or the last digit before the comma, and focus on the first number or the first digit after the comma, and then you circle it, and then you combine it together to get one number, which is 23. Okay, so from this code you got 21 and 23. All right, let's move on to the next one, which is the one for today. You add them up together. 21 plus 23 plus 25 plus 26 equals to 95. 95 divided. I said focus on the first digits. Let me just do this first. So when you get your total, focus on in this case, focus on the first digit because it's a 2-digit code. The total didn't come out as 3 digits. It only came out as 2 digits. So you focus on the first digit of the code, which is a 9. So our first banker is 9. And then after that, you divide it by 9. 95 divided by 9, you'll get a total of 10,55. And then what did I say? Focus on the last digit or the last number before the comma, which is a 0. Then you focus on the first number or the first digit after the comma, which is a 5. And then you circle it all together, and then you get your number after you have combined it, so which is a 5. And I want you to notice something here. 95. I hope you're seeing what I'm seeing. The same bankers are appearing twice. 95, 95. 5 here, 5 here. So I don't know. I think it's a very good prediction. So guys, please trust the numbers, have faith in it, and I will see you back with good news. Oh, before I let you go, I did say that I was going to write down all the bankers. So the bankers for today are 18, 46, 9, 5. So 4 straight bankers, guys. These are 4 straight bankers. Please play them, and please, guys, play them and win. Alright, I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.